When you're doing a repair, very often the customer is inquisitive to see what's done, and they give a lot of attention to what you're doing. You can turn it into a bit of theatre that you can derive long-term benefit from. And one of the ways to do that is to make sure that your equipment is presentable, clean, and operating properly. So resin gets onto your fingers, it cures, it attracts the dirt. If it sits on the case or on any parts, rather clean it off. Isopropyl will do the job very well, but it looks terrible when you've got these dirty black finger marks all over everything. Your kit will often get shavings, accumulate shavings in time as you're using a blade and the wind blows. You can just blow that out, dust it out, brush it out. High pressure air hose will do the job, and that'll keep those little shavings, keep the kit shavings free. Of course, each item also should be cleaned. We're going to get to the bridge, but before we do, inside the resin box, you might have a rag and you might have resin, and obviously the resin can spill. And if that does happen, it might be because your rag is too fat, and closing the resin box places pressure on the resin and it squeezes out inside the resin box. You don't want that. So rather use a prescribed rag that's thinner, that will not be compressed inside the kit case. Each time you use a bridge, you'll have an accumulation of resin at the O-ring, and it's best just to dab it up and wipe it off so that it doesn't accumulate dirt. Then periodically you can clean down the center of the injector, and you do so using a pipe cleaner, and you just run it down and let it dwell there a little bit so that it absorbs the excess resin that might be housed or harbored in your injector, and that'll keep your ball valve operating smoother.